Welcome to the Whitaker House, designed and built by highly esteemed architect Richard Whitaker as his own personal residence. This is a one-of-a-kind house. At the base of the property is a freestanding apartment, perfect for overflow guests or a little extra income. The main house is built on top of granite boulders. Designed in a timeless and classic style, it is truly a work of art. Offering unparalleled, spectacular panoramic Lake Tahoe views. You will never miss a sunrise or a sunset here. The Whitaker House is an engineering and architectural masterpiece, truly one of the most iconic properties in our entire region.